hungrily. In a way that shows you are very hungry. He ate hungrily after school. They hungrily finished their dinner. Painfully. In a way that causes pain or hurt. She walked painfully after falling. He spoke painfully about his loss. Stingily. Someone who does not want to share or spend much. He stingily gave only one candy to the kids. He stingily tipped the waiter. Carelessly. Not being careful. She carelessly dropped the glass. He carelessly crossed the road. Quietly. In a silent or soft way. She closed the door quietly. They talked quietly at the back of the classroom. Fatally. In a way that causes death or leads to something very serious and harmful. He was fatally bitten by a snake. The man was fatally injured in the accident. Noisily. Doing something with a lot of noise. The children laughed noisily. The dog barked noisily all night. Crumbly. Something that breaks easily into small pieces. The crumbly cookie broke in my hand. The wall is old and crumbly. nervously, in a worried or scared way. She smiled nervously before speaking. He waited nervously for the exam to start. Playfully, in a fun and joking way. The puppy ran around playfully. The children shouted playfully.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!